Subscribe to Soil Cup.
Quality always pays, be it today or tomorrow, but the spirit needs to be high and goals set. Two roads diverged, and I chose the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Hi, I'm Dr. Ruchi Uppal. This was my situation way back in 2008 when I post-graduated from Government College Sector 11, Chandigarh. I was into a conflict which way to opt, whether to opt a traditional way where I would go to a specific college or specific university, school to impart education by becoming a teacher or a professor, and my whole life would go up in the same process. Another option was okay, start up my own institute. So I really wanted to reach number of people I could. I pondered a lot. I thought if I restrict myself to one place, I may not be able to deliver to number of people and reach number of audience. So I finally decided I should opt for my own institute, and that is how the story began in 2008 with the name of Rising Careers, because the motto was to rise the career of each individual I come across by solving their problems, helping them out, skilling them out. So that is how the journey started. We started with IELTS training as well as communication skills and interview preparation for the students, because that was a time where number of students they were looking up for their interviews. Students got successfully placed in banks, army and MNCs. Then in 2012 there came a wave of teacher eligibility test. Now here we were dealing with altogether a different segment of students. We designed a curriculum, team of experts designed books, I penned few of the books, and that is how we could produce 100% success rate in teacher eligibility test. Now something which was very common in all these years was a struggle which was going within many. Struggle for some kind of guidance, counseling, enlightenment, motivation on social, personal and professional level. We freelanced all these years, which helped us come across numerous people till 2013 we came up with multiple intelligence test and psychometric test. So all these years working at grassroots level, experiencing with different age groups empowered me towards my goal, and that is how Rising Careers got its new avatar in 2016 at a prime location, Sector 35, Chandigarh, with the name of Rising IELTS Studio and Career Solutions. We established it as an LLP firm now. In 2018, we were fortunate enough to be recognized by Paragon Testing in Canada. They are the conductors of CELPIP and CALE examination, which students give for their immigration and study visa purposes, specifically in Canada. I became their certified instructor, and proudly we can announce that our students have scored minimum level of CLB 7 to maximum CLB level 12. In 2019, we got registered with ICCRC. So this is how it was a learn-some journey where we dealt in with different generations and taught till the age of 40. We have mastered the key services of IELTS, CELPIP, CALE, PTE and language skills, focusing on communication, and we help students settling in India and abroad for their immigration and careers. We still have miles to go. Now, message for startups. Quality always pays, be it today or tomorrow, but the spirit needs to be high and goals set. Throughout the journey, we have learned, and this hour of pandemic teaches us adaptability to change, Adaptability to change is must for any entrepreneur to rise in his business. Even we have added a new avenue towards our training, that is online training. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Soil Hub for creating a platform not only to recognize entrepreneurs but also adding values for upcoming startup through their experiences. Moreover, recognition in any form motivates, and Soil Cup has contributed this valuable service in the journey of entrepreneurs. Thank you.